What's going on, guys? In this video today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best 4K dashcam in 2023. Through the comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for the best 4K dashcam for your car, and you'll know exactly the best dashcam for you by the end of this video. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Vantrue N4 3-channel dashcam. This little gadget is packed with features that can truly make a difference when you're on the road. Let's jump into the details. First thing to talk about is the 3-channel recording. The Vantrue N4 3-channel dashcam has a 155 degrees front camera, a 165 degrees interior camera, and a 160 degrees rear camera. This means that you can record everything that's happening around your car, both inside and out. This dashcam also records at 4K resolution on the front camera and 1080p resolution on the rear camera. This provides you with clear and detailed footage of everything that's happening on the road ahead and behind you. Now let's dive into the front and interior video quality. The Vantrue N4 3-channel dashcam to record the front and interior of your car at 1440p resolution each. This is a great option for rideshare drivers. Plus, the N4 is equipped with high-performance Star VIS CMOS sensors and a big f1.4 aperture lens, which allows it to capture clear footage in low-light conditions. Additionally, the N4 features 4 IR LED lights facing the car cabin, which can accurately capture the driver and passengers even when the cabin is completely dark. One of the unique features of the Vantrue N4 dashcam is that it has GPS built in. This GPS module to track your route, location, and speed. This information can be overlaid on your video footage, providing you with a complete record of your journey. Plus, this dashcam also has a built-in G sensor. The sensor auto-detects sudden shake collision and emergency locks the footage to the event folder following impact. This ensures that you will have a record of any accident or incident, even if you are not able to save the footage yourself. But wait, there's more. The Vantrue N4 3-channel dashcam has a 24-hour parking mode that will continue to record footage even when your car is parked. This is a great way to protect your car from vandalism or theft. Plus, this dashcam is powered by a supercapacitor that is built to withstand extreme temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it ideal for use in all climates. Overall, the Vantrue N4 is an excellent triple dashcam that offers a great value for the price. It has excellent image quality, a variety of useful features, and it's built to last. I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to protect themselves with a high-quality dashcam. Number 4. The Garmin Dashcam 57. It's a compact, feature-packed device that keeps an eye on your vehicle even when you're not around. Let's dive in and see what this little wonder can do. First thing to talk about is the video quality. The Garmin Dashcam 57 records 1440p HD video, which is sharper and more detailed than 1080p video. This is important for capturing license plate numbers and other details that can be crucial in the event of an accident. The camera also has a wide 140-degree field of view, which means it can capture a lot of what's happening around your vehicle. One of the cool features of the Garmin Dashcam 57 is the voice control feature. This means you can control the camera with spoken commands. This is a very convenient feature, as it allows you to keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. You can use voice control to start and stop recording, take still photos, and save videos. Another great feature of the Garmin Dashcam 57 has a built-in GPS receiver that tracks your vehicle's location and speed. This information is overlaid on the recorded video footage, so you can see exactly where and when an incident occurred. This information can be very helpful in filing an insurance claim or providing evidence to law enforcement. The Garmin Dashcam 57 has a variety of driver alerts that can help you to stay safe on the road. These alerts include forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and speed camera warning. Plus, the parking guard feature keeps an eye on your parked vehicle and alerts you if something's amiss. It's like having a guardian for your car. But wait, there's more. The Garmin Dashcam 57 has a number of connected features that make it stand out from other dashcams. It can automatically upload videos to the cloud via Wi-Fi, so you can access them from anywhere. You can also use the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone to connect to the dashcam and view live video, saved videos, and driver alerts. It's like having a second set of eyes on your vehicle. Overall, the Garmin Dashcam 57 is a great dashcam. It has excellent video quality, a variety of connected features, and driver alerts. It's also very compact and discreet, so it won't block your view of the road. If you're looking for a high-quality dashcam with a variety of features, the Garmin Dashcam 57 is a great option. Number 3. The Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dashcam. This little gadget is designed to enhance your driving experience and ensure you capture every moment on the road. So let's dive right into it. First thing to talk about is the video quality. The Kingslim D4 simultaneously captures videos in 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera. That means you'll have crystal clear footage, perfect for reading license plates and road signs. You can also switch to a front view in QHD 2.5K and rear view in Full HD for everyday recording. This flexibility ensures you can always capture the details you need. Now let's dive into the user interface. The Kingslim D4 is also impressive. You can effortlessly connect it to your smartphone using the built-in Wi-Fi and control everything through the dedicated app. No need for fiddly buttons. The 3 inches IPS touchscreen is also a breeze to use, making navigation and settings adjustments a piece of cake. It's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, so everyone can benefit. Another standout feature is the built-in GPS. It records your route and driving speed directly onto your videos, providing you with invaluable data for various purposes. The GPS module is attached to the dashcam, so no messy cable installation is needed. Just download the GX player from the official website to play back your GPS-tagged videos. It's like having a virtual co-pilot. Let's talk about night vision. The Kingslim D4 also excels in low-light conditions. It's equipped with a Sony IMX335 Star VIS sensor and a HiSilicon Hi3559 processor. With a wide f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, this dashcam shines even in the darkest of nights. It offers a front 170 degrees and rear 150 degrees super-wide viewing angle, along with a 6-layer glass fixed focus lens, giving you maximum road coverage in fantastic night vision. You'll capture sharp and clear images and videos, no matter the lighting conditions. Last but not least, the Kingslim D4 supports up to a whopping 256 GB TF card, ensuring you have ample space for your 4K recordings. Thanks to the loop recording function, you'll never have to worry about running out of space. Plus, it's compatible with high-endurance microSD cards, like the Samsung 256 GB U3, for ensuring reliable performance. Overall, the Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dashcam is a great value for the price. It offers a wide range of features, including 4K front and 1080p rear recording, phone app and touchscreen control, built-in GPS, a Sony StarVis sensor for better night vision, and 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear viewing angles. If you are looking for a dashcam that can capture high-quality video in all conditions, the Kingslim D4 is a great option to consider. Number 2. The Cobra Smart Dashcam South Carolina 400. This impressive gadget packs a punch with its UHD 4K resolution, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, Alexa integration, live police alerts, and a whole lot more. Let's dive right into it. First up, the star of the show, the UHD 4K HD video resolution, which is 4 times the resolution of 1080p. This means that you can capture every detail, even in low-light conditions. I was very impressed with the video quality, both during the day and at night. I was able to clearly see license plates, road signs, and other details even when driving at high speeds. One of the unique features of the Cobra South Carolina 400 dashcam is that it has Alexa built-in. This means that you can use Alexa to control your dashcam, play music, navigate, and more. I found this to be a very convenient feature, especially when I was driving long distances. I could use Alexa to change the music, get directions, and even check the weather without having to take my hands off the wheel. Now, let's talk about 3-view capability. The Cobra South Carolina 400 dashcam comes with a front-facing camera. You can also add on an optional rear-facing and/or cabin view accessory camera to record the road ahead, behind, and inside the vehicle at the same time. I think this is a great feature, especially for ride-sharing drivers or people who want to have a complete record of their drives. Another great feature of the Cobra South Carolina 400 dashcam is heads-up navigation. This means that you can get turn-by-turn directions on the screen of your dashcam, even if your map app is running in the background on your phone. I found this to be very useful, as it allowed me to keep my eyes on the road without having to constantly glance at my phone. But wait, there's more. The Cobra South Carolina 400 dashcam also provides live police alerts on screen. This means that you can be warned about upcoming speed traps, red light cameras, and other police activity. I think this is a great safety feature, as it can help you avoid getting pulled over and save you money on tickets. Overall, I am very impressed with the Cobra South Carolina 400 dashcam. It is packed with features, including UHD 4K video resolution, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, Alexa built-in, live police alerts, incident reports, emergency mayday, and a new Drive Smarter app. If you are looking for a high-quality dashcam with all the bells and whistles, the Cobra South Carolina 400 is a great option. Number 1. The Nextbase 622 GW dashcam. This is the flagship dashcam from Nextbase, and it's packed with features, including 4K recording, image stabilization, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, defogging, and super slow motion. So let's dive into the feature. Let's kick things off with the star of the show, 4K recording. The Nextbase 622 GW is its ability to record in 4K resolution. This is the highest resolution available for dashcams, and it produces stunningly clear and detailed footage. Plus, the rear camera module records at 1080p. This is especially beneficial if you need to zoom in on a specific detail, such as a license plate or a road sign. Another great feature of the Nextbase 622 GW is its image stabilization. This helps to reduce the effects of bumps and vibrations on your footage, resulting in smoother and more stable videos. This is especially important if you drive on rough roads or if you live in an area with a lot of potholes. Image stabilization also makes your footage easier to watch, as you don't have to deal with constant shaking and blurring. Now let's talk about 5 GHz Wi-Fi technology. The Nextbase 622 GW is equipped with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This is the latest and fastest Wi-Fi standard, and it allows you to transfer footage from your dashcam to your smartphone or computer in seconds. This is a huge improvement over previous dashcams, which often relied on slower 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly download your footage and share it with insurance companies, the police, or social media. But wait, there's more. The Nextbase 622 GW is also the only dashcam on the market with a built-in defogging feature. This uses a special algorithm to improve visibility in foggy conditions. This is a really useful feature, especially if you drive in areas that are prone to fog. Defogging can help you to see other vehicles and road hazards more clearly, even in the worst conditions. Last but not least, let's talk about super slow motion feature. The Nextbase 622 GW also has a super slow motion feature that allows you to play back your footage at 120 frames per second. This is ideal for capturing details such as license plates or other important information that may be difficult to see in real time. Super slow motion can also be used to create interesting and informative videos about your road trips or other adventures. Overall, the Nextbase 622 GW is an excellent dashcam. It offers a wide range of features, including 4K recording, image stabilization, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, defogging, and super slow motion. If you're looking for the best possible protection on the road, then the Nextbase 622 GW is the dashcam for you. So that wraps up our list of the best 4K dashcam in 2023. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain Lock family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.